Do the chores. Tidy one's room. Clean the windows. Make the bed. Take out the rubbish. Do the shopping. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Vacuum the carpet. Do the laundry. Do the ironing. Hang out the clothes. Cook a meal. Set the table. Do the dishes. Wash the dishes. Do the washing up. Clear the table. Look after a baby. Feed the dog. Walk the dog. Mow the lawn. Plant the trees. Water the plants.
Things to do around the house, the list goes on forever. Do the dishes, make the beds, let's do the chores together. We can make our lives much better, let's all do the chores together. We can make our lives much better, let's all do the chores together. Things to do every day, the list goes on forever. Clean the windows, mop the floor, let's do the chores together. We can make